The bottom portion is called the dock. This is where you can keep all your most used applications and folders for quick access. You'll find many applications on the dock by default, such as Calendar, Contacts, Mail, the web browser Safari, and more. To launch an application, we simply click on it, and it will launch from the dock. All the rest of the applications are found in this app called Launchpad. Click Launchpad to see all of your applications. For short, we sometimes call applications apps. If you'd like to add an app to the dock, simply drag and drop it. We do this by clicking our mouse over the app and holding it down while we move, or drag our mouse till it's in the desired location. Once it's there, we can drop, or in other words, we can let go, or unclick. That's why they call it drag and drop. If you'd like to remove an app from the dock, just drag it up until the remove cloud appears. Let go and you'll see it poof. Now that doesn't delete the app from the Mac, it just removes it from your dock. If you'd like to add it back, you can return to the Launchpad and drag and drop it back to your dock. If you'd like to get more apps, you can do so by browsing the Mac App Store, which has thousands of apps that you can download directly to your Mac. Some are free and others cost, but here are a few we would definitely recommend, such as Apple's iWork Productivity Suite, including Pages, Numbers, Keynote, and more. Once purchased, they'll be automatically added to your Launchpad, which, if you'd like, you can then add to your dock for quick access. This line here separates apps, which go on the left side, and everything else. For example, on the right-hand side, you can add folders, photos, files, and pretty much anything you'd like to have quick access to. Then this last item is the trash. If you're coming from a Windows computer, you may be familiar with the recycling bin. Well, this works very similar. Basically, if you delete an item from your computer, whether it be a file, folder, photo, video, etc., it first goes to the trash. The nice thing about this is that it gives you one more chance to decide if you want to keep that file or delete it permanently.